Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, so ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Then prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Okay. So given that ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. That means triangle ABC is right angled isosceles triangle. So first is draw a triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay. Then remaining two vertices are A and B. Okay. So given that ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay, right angle at C. So here 90 degrees we are considered as point C. Okay, so it is an isosceles triangle. That means we know that isosceles triangle is any two sides equal. In a triangle, if any of two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles. Then AC equal to BC. We are considering AC equal to BC. Why? Because here AB is the longest length. Okay, longest side, that means AB is the hypotenuse. So remaining two sides are equal. Okay, so it implies that AC equal to BC. Okay, we can write AC of BC. Okay. So since it is a right angle triangle, if you apply Pythagoras theorem to it, okay, so hypotenuse square equal to sum of square of other two sides. That means so in triangle ABC, we can write as AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AB square equal to AC square plus again this BC square can be written as AC from the given data equal to. So see here in place of BC square we are writing AC square, since AC equal to BC obtained from the given data. Okay, so given. Okay, so it implies AB square equal to AC square plus AC square 2AC square. Okay, so this is the required proof. So hence proof. So we shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, O is any point in the interior of triangle ABC. If OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB, then show that. Okay, OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to A square plus BD square plus C square. Okay, so it is given that O is any point in the interior of triangle ABC. That means O is inside the triangle ABC and OD is perpendicular to BC. That means OD is perpendicular to BC. That means angle BDO equal to angle CDO equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, OE is perpendicular to AC. OE is perpendicular to AC. That means angle CEO plus angle CEO equal to angle AEO equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, OF is perpendicular to AB given. OF is perpendicular to AB. That means angle AFO equal to angle BFO equal to 90 degrees. So, okay. So first write the given data again. So we have to prove the first proof is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square plus minus OF square equal to A square plus BD square plus C square. Okay. So we have to get OA square. That means consider triangle AOF first triangle. Okay. So in triangle AOF it consisting of OA, AF and OF. Okay. OA we have to get and OF and AF. So consider triangle AOF. Okay. So in triangle AOF. Okay, in triangle AOF, so angle AFO equal to 90 degrees. Angle AFO equal to 90 degrees. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. Okay, so OA square equal to OF square plus AF square, okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is the first equation. Again, OB square, we have to get OB square. That means if we consider triangle BOD, in triangle BOD it consisting of OB, DD and OD. So we have to get OB, OD and BD. So we are considering triangle BOD. Okay, in triangle BOD, angle BDO equal to 90 degrees. Since this OD is perpendicular to BC, angle BOD equal to 90 degrees. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, so OB square equal to BD square plus OD square. Okay, so OB square equal to BD square plus OD square by Pythagoras theorem. So this is the second equation. So now consider triangle COE. Okay, so we have to get here OC square. That means OC square, OE square and CE square consisting of OE, OC and CE. Okay, OC, OE and CE. Okay, we are considering triangle OCOE. Okay, in triangle COE, angle CEO equal to 90 degrees. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem here, so OA square equal to CE square plus OE square we can get. Okay, OC square equal to CE square plus OE square by Pythagoras theorem. So this is the third equation. So if we add these three, okay, first, second and third equation. So first plus second plus third implies, okay, OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to OF square plus AF square. Okay, so OF square plus AF square. Okay, so OA square plus AF square plus BD square plus OD square. BD square plus OD square. Next, CE square plus OE square. CE square plus OE square. So if we add all the three equations, we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to OA square plus AF square plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square. Okay. So again, now shift this OA square to the left side. It becomes just minus OA square. So if OD square comes to the left side, it becomes just minus OD square. OE square comes to the left side, it becomes just minus OE square. Okay? So it implies OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OF square minus OE square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So it is the required proof of first proof. Again, second proof. Okay, so from 1, okay, so this is the first proof right here as 1. Okay. So from first proof we got that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OA square minus OE square equal to A square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, so here we need to prove OA square plus BD square plus CE square. That means, okay, from 1 we can write this as AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to, we can write as OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OF square minus OE square. Okay, so from first proof we can write this. Okay, so if we consider OA square minus, from the figure, OA square minus OE square, okay, it can be written as AE square. Okay, right, this OA square minus OE square, one side, OA square minus OE square, again OB square. Okay, so OB square minus OF square can be written as BF square. Okay, right, this OB square and OF square one side, so OB square minus OF square one side, again OC square minus OD square, OC square minus OD square, so OC square minus OD square we can write it as CD square. Okay. So from the figure, OA square minus OE square, its value is AE square. Again, OB square minus OF square is, you can write it as BF square. Okay, and similarly OC square minus OD square, it can be written as CD square. Okay, so AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to, we got AE square plus BF square plus CD square. So this is the required proof.